So, a couple hits of oil eater. Then with the high pressure, then I hit it with the soap, which is Simple Green, and the pressure washer, and then I hit it with the turbo spray, the spiral. Looking pretty good.
Yeah, it's not getting much better than that.
Yeah, we gotta get this off. That's just the adhesive from that one sticker. But the rest of the stuff's all gone and off and done. Looks pretty good. Should we roll the car back?
Yeah.
And then we can kind of clean up and about ready to call it a day, huh?
Definitely.
We should crack open that AC box real quick, though, and see what evaporator we have. That sounds like a tomorrow problem, though. All right, so we'll roll this back, and out in the sun it can dry for a minute while we clean up our floor here. And away we go. All right, just let her dry. In the morning we mask and shoot. It'll look pretty good. I gotta get ready to take her out to paint. Hopefully early in the week next week, because we'll get that done. We'll see what Bill wants to do about this carpet, because I'd really like to take the carpet and get it out before it goes to paint. That way, if there's anything on the floor that needs to be fixed or anything, they can handle that while it's over at paint. So I'm gonna let this dry tonight after its bath. And do some spraying tomorrow in the morning, and away we go.